Hey guys, Greg here. Hey, I am so excited about this new year getting going. Livegood is exploding. We have close to 1 million members in a year's time, and you just don't see that kind of success in network marketing companies. You don't see that success in traditional companies. I mean, you look at Amazon Prime, you look at Walmart Plus, you look at Netflix, you look at all these subscription based companies, Apple, none of them have reached 1 million members in a year's time. And Livegood is crushing it. And I just want to share with you guys how I reached this new level of gold and becoming a gold leader. And it's not to brag on myself, but to really brag on my group. I'm so excited. I like getting letters like this, but I get really excited about my group. I mean, so many bronzes coming into the organization, so many silvers coming into my organization, and that's where I get pumped up. That's where I get excited because I see the success just exploding and the momentum exploding through our group. And anytime you want to be successful, you want to help other people become successful. That is the best way to have huge success and long-term success. And so what I want to do today is just really walk you through some very easy, simple steps of how to achieve the rank you want to achieve in Livegood, how to grow your Livegood business, and how to grow it with tools we already have, what Livegood already provides us. Okay, so I really am excited about this call here. This webinar will help show you exactly what to do, step by step, very easy way to grow your Livegood business. And one of the best things that really helped me, especially early on, is believing in the products, right? I mean, here's a product, for example, the Super Greens. Once I started taking the supplements in Livegood, that built my belief system in a way that is very powerful. Whenever you begin to see your own health improve and you see what it is doing for you, I saw my workouts massively improving, my recovery times massively improving. When you think you're already healthy and then you start taking these supplements and they give you so much more energy, you're like, okay, these work, right? And if you're not healthy, if you have some health issues, you definitely want to be taking these products. But I say, the first steps to success is taking the product, is because whenever you're around somebody, right? People always ask me, how do you get people enrolled in Livegood? And I always tell them I listen to people, right? I listen to their problems because people are more likely to tell you their problems more than anything else. That's the first thing they tell you. They're going to tell you their health issues, what they're dealing with. And if you're taking a product and you've had a similar health issue that they have had, you can help them. You can say, hey, I've been taking this product that's helped this. You should give it a try, right? And what's great about Livegood, it's a 90-day money-back guarantee. This right here is $14, so it's not going to break them. They have a 90-day money-back empty bottle guarantee, so if they don't like it, they can get their money back. There's really nothing to lose and a whole lot to gain. When you're talking about improving somebody's health in a dramatic way, the Livegood products will do that. There is just no doubt about it. So I'm going to be focusing on one new product a month for 30 days. And at the end of the 30 days, I'm going to give you guys my results, my health results, what it did for me. All right. And why I want to focus on the Super Greens this month is because this time of year, people's immune systems get broken down. There's a lot more illness, a lot of disease, sickness going on. It's colder outside. We're indoors more, so we're breathing other people's air. We're just in close corners with each other. So this helps improve your immune protection in a dramatic way. Also, energy and recovery. So around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I love taking this. It gives your body the nutrients it needs for sustained energy. It just helps me with that brain fog, if you will, just more mental clarity through the rest of the afternoon and evening. So it's not like a caffeine stimulant, you're not going to feel that rush of energy, but it's just longer sustained energy. And then you have stress support, right? This time of year, we've probably spent more money trying to pay off that credit card for buying more gifts and presents during the holidays. So we have a little bit more stress this time of year as well. So this will help manage your stress with just providing your body the nutrients that it needs so it's not breaking down as rapidly. And then also digestive health, right? So if you're like me, you've been eating a lot of good food. I have a lot of people in my family that can cook really good. My girlfriend is an amazing chef as well. So I haven't been eating the healthiest, so this helps with the bloating. It just helps me get my digestive system back on track after eating all that good food. So anyway, I just want to really say a big congratulations to all the new silvers in my organization, to all the new bronzes in my organization. And I want to show you how to help those new people that you've just enrolled rank advance as quickly as possible. Now, if you've been in Livegood and you haven't enrolled anybody yet, we're going to help you there too. All right. So let me show you real quick what we use. That Livegood has actually provided us, the tools that they've provided us to help grow our Livegood business. And these tools are very powerful if you use them in the correct way. And just like I mentioned before, I like starting with the product just because when you're reaching out to people about the product, they'll see very quick results. They'll say, okay, this is unbelievable, right? So that's where I always start, is the product. We also developed a great training site that gives you 3 easy steps to rank advance as well. I've provided the link below in the description, so you can jump into that training site. There's no cost to it, and I can help you really bring you sustained growth and also long-term growth. And what I mean by long-term growth is I've developed an email list, so I educate people on an ongoing business. And in order to be successful, really in any business, I'm a true believer in developing your list, your email list. I also have a cardiovascular diagnostic company. As you can see, my passion is health. My passion is preventative medicine, helping people reach their goals. But when I reach out to these physicians, I have to educate them about our cardiovascular diagnostics and our upcoming software updates and ongoing training. And so I've developed a list for those physicians, and new physicians I run into, I put them on the list and they see the education, they're getting benefit, they're getting value from that list, from the content that is provided. And so I go in more in depth into our advanced training and how to build your email list, and that'll help grow your Livegood business very quickly as well. So in order to have a list, you've got to have content, right? So the content is what Livegood provides us 4 days per week. So in Livegood, we start our weeks out on Friday. So I'm going to start here on Friday with our rank recognition and training Zoom. And we refer to that in Livegood as our Fire Starter Friday. And it truly is. Every time I watch that on Fridays, it gets me in the right mindset. It pumps me up. It gives me the momentum that I need to really start that week in the right kind of way. It's amazing training. Ben talks a lot about new products that are coming. Ryan talks about how he's developing those products. Nader does a great job on informing us how to, what we need to say when we get in front of people. And then he does a more in-depth training on Wednesdays as well. We'll get into that in a second. So Fridays is really a great training to hop onto because it really starts your week off right. And it has our top leaders on there too. They're giving us what's helping them grow their Livegood business. And really, if you've promoted the product to someone, on, let's say, Friday. Let's just say this is the beginning of it. You start promoting a product on Friday to someone, and by Thursday comes around, you don't have to mention anything about the business, because on Thursday, Ben will let them know about how great the opportunity is. Now, for some people, they ask me if there's a business opportunity, but that's very rare. Most people, when I talk to them, I'm talking to them about their health and how to improve their health. And that's what they're really focused in on. And I encourage you to stay focused on that. Don't get too far out of it. As far as trying to get into the weeds of the business opportunity, let Ben do that. And then let them come to you, and you can share your link with them, your Livegood link. And that's a great way. That's helped me grow my Livegood business, is doing that and keeping that concept, because I'm here to help people, help them with their health. And that will, once they have the energy and they feel healthier, it'll help them generate the wealth that they need, because now they're able to do that. So with the Livegood opportunity, it's a no-brainer to get them plugged in. And then we have Wednesdays, the network marketing training with Nauder. He has 20 plus years network marketing. He's formulated many of his own network marketing companies that have been very successful as well. He gives us the tidbits that we need to grow your network marketing business. So very powerful tool. If you just took away one thing from what he has to teach you, it could mean the difference between being idle in your Livegood business and taking it to a whole nother level. So I really encourage you to get on to these network marketing trainings with Nauder. And then what I like probably the most is these Monday product calls with Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Very powerful. Dr. Ryan, he's the formulator of our products. So he explains why he formulated the products in such a way. He explains the science of them. And then Lisa does an amazing job of how we need to integrate these products into our daily life. And it just makes it very simple. They're an awesome team. But I learned so much from these product calls that I'm able to be able to understand how they work, and then I'm able to communicate that to new people. Like I said before, the biggest thing to grow this business is just open your ears and listen to people. And like I said, they will tell you their health issues, their problems. And once they do, and you've been taking the products, you can say, you know what, I've been taking this product that's helped me in this way. You ought to give it a try. Nothing to lose. So hey guys, this is what I call in the GPS formula that we have. I don't know if you've heard that term, GPS. If you've been on my training site, you've definitely heard of the GPS. Basically, G is for get in, P is for plug in, and that's what this whole thing here is the plug in, and then S is stay in, GPS. Keep that in your forefront of your mind. That'll help you stay focused as the GPS, give you direction that you need. But just want to give you guys encouragement. Start this year off right. Get in the right mindset. Start taking the products. If you're not taking any products right now, I would encourage you to start with this one. This is an awesome product to start with. Of course, I take them all, so I'll be talking about them all throughout these trainings as well. So again, thanks for joining me. I want to also say this. I'm going to be offering a lot of bonuses in my advanced training as well. Free bonuses that'll help grow your Livegood business. And by the way, if you're currently taking a Livegood product that you've seen amazing results from, please leave a comment below, and maybe that'll help somebody else in this community as well. And that will help everybody. And so the more experience people have with the products, the faster you're going to grow your business, and the more sustainability you'll have with your business. So again, thanks for joining me today. This is Greg. Live good.